These are the Mr. Carbon tuning forks. It says resound with energy. The box itself is quite heavy. It's actually a really nice carrying case. So let's open it up and check it out. Right, it opens up in about a half. It's about a half open here. First off, you get a carrying case. You get kind of a what's in the box. Gives you all the different ways you can use these. You can use them for healing or for music, whatever you like. We have 2 cleaning cloths here. We have these healing beads right here. So you put one of these tuning forks and you take this bead and attach it to the back of it. And then when you strike it, you can position it like on your neck or wherever you need some kind of healing properties. We have the mallets. We get 2 of these. We get a blue one and a black one. And then we have all the different frequencies right here. Now, each one of these has a number and it says a frequency on it. So F963, like on this black one here. And then it goes all the way up to another black one, which is F174. If you want to display these, there's a wooden block here. You can see got a hole for each one of these, and you can stand over here and you can play them while they're in that block, or you can display them individually with these right here, which they can sit on your table. They are flat, and then you can just add each one of these in there. There's a tuning fork activator, which is kind of like a hockey puck. So whenever you hit, you can hit them with the mallet or you can hit them with the puck. You can hit it with your hand. Really do anything that you want to hit the fork with. But if you want to get the sound that you want to get, I think you're supposed to use either the mallet or the puck. And that's pretty much everything that comes in the box here. I will play one of them. My dog is probably going to go crazy, but we'll try it anyways. There's the black mallet here on the purple so we can hear it. The vibration carries a lot once you're done using it. You can actually hear it from left to right, but as you get it close to your ears, it actually sounds really cool. So there you go, there's the tuning forks.